就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 午後大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林執少 Joseph Lin, along with Alice teaching you the phrase this month, or. You use this everywhere, and or, but or in this particular case, or 还是或者是或是，怎么说？
压黑，
压黑 very simple， 很简单。这个压黑那个，我们今天来问什么问题呢？我知道了，周末到的时候要出去玩啊，然后决定不了要去哪里，要去看场电影，还是要去
海边，
还是去海边都可以耶。好 ，Alright, let's put you in this situation where you're asking your friend or whoever, what do you want to do tomorrow, or maybe on the weekend, and you want to go watch a movie, or go shopping, or maybe even go to the beach. 我们明天出去玩吧 ，Let's go out tomorrow.
人力田公日，
人力田公日。
出去了吼，
出去了吼。
人力田公日出去了吼。
那将来了的了啊，了 that means to go out and play, all right? 出去 that means to go out, all right? 那这个你想去逛街还是看电影呢 ？Do you want to go shopping or do you want to go watch a movie?
想去。
想去。
往街。
往街。
也是看天样。
哈哈，也是看天样。
想去往街，也是看天样。
看天样 that means to watch a movie， 看电影。谁街吼要逛街是怎么说？
往街。
往街 ，OK, that means to do some shopping, to walk around。那所以你的答案是
往街。你
喜欢往街哦？
因为可以运动啊。
也是啦，还可以买东西，对不对？
还可以花钱。
对。不过我们还是去海边好了啦，好不好？
好。
Yeah, you know what? It's summertime now. Why don't we just go to the beach? Okay, 我们去海边玩啦。
人力来去海顺了啦。
人力来去海顺了啦。海顺海边吗？海边 ，Okay, that means the seaside, the beach, basically. 海顺，了 again is to play and let's go together. 人力 okay, that means let's together, us go and do this. Now I know. Okay, that's great. Let's review some of these phrases, of course. 包括呢要逛街 shopping,
往街
and then go watch a movie 看电影
看天样
and then finally to go to the beach and play 海边玩
海顺了
All right, whatever your choice is, you can ask this or that now, and it's all about that phrase, or 还是
压黑
now you know. And that is today's edition of Practical Hakka.
什么大家
子 say 张来了
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.